Remove the original screen shell. Unscrew the screen screws. Take off the screen. Unplug all plugs from the screen. And unplug the original car's main unit plug. Connect the main unit provided by our company onto the removed shell. Tighten the screws. Connect the power cord plug of our company to the car's host. Pry open the original car air conditioner, the interface board, and unplug the wires. Original car air conditioning wiring. The original car's emergency light wiring. Connect the air conditioning button panel of our company. Install the air conditioning button panel. Plug in the cable on the back of the screen. Plug the original cable back in. Mouse cable. Power cord plug. Stuff all the wires into the center console. Install the screen. Tighten the screen screws. Plug in the display screen. Install the display screen. Installation completed.